Successful affiliate marketing campaigns in a nutshell. Affiliate marketing programs represent a golden opportunity for anyone to bring in a steady stream of profits, but to set up a successful program you need to know what you are doing. There are many mistakes people commonly make with their affiliate programs. By following the advice in this video, you can avoid these errors. Success in affiliate marketing will never be achieved by putting a million banners up all on one site. Choose your banners carefully and keep your site clutter-free. Too many banners can make your site feel overwhelming to a user, making them less likely to click on any banners or become repeat visitors. One great way to always stay ahead of the game in affiliate marketing is to be among the first people to advertise a newly released product. To stay ahead of the game and to promote products before the market becomes saturated, check out various large companies, like ClickBank, and find out about new products. Affiliates with blogs should be keeping their readers informed at all times. Blogs by nature have regularly updated content, and thus they receive recurring visitors. Create a resource page for your visitors so that they can easily check and find old content if they are interested in knowing more. Add content that your readers want along with your affiliate links. If you provide reasons for your audience to click on your links, you will find much better success. If you just type a list of baby items you like with links, you'll receive much less response than if you type reviews and why you love these items. Base your review and promotion of the product on your personal experience. If you have not tried the product yourself, ask someone who has to help you write a review. Look for comments and discussions about the product online. If you see a lot of negative impressions about the products, perhaps you should not promote it at all. There's all kinds of advice online about how you should conduct your affiliate marketing business, and most of strategies will work with patience and consistency. The key is to choose one course of action and stay with it. Use pay-per-click or email marketing or blogging. Don't spread yourself too thin by trying to do all of them at once. Master one form of marketing and get good at it. You must be willing to invest as much time and effort as possible if you are going to be successful with affiliate marketing. Look into training materials that are not overprices. Many times they will have the same information in them as the high-priced ones do. Save yourself a couple dollars and gain the same amount of knowledge. While affiliate marketing offers its share of pitfalls and potential problems, these can be avoided with minimal effort if you just keep the basics in mind. If you don't get in over your head and stick to your plan, you too can enjoy a lucrative career as an affiliate marketer. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.